my man. I want my man. I want him to define me. Mama, I don't even know the size of his arm. I don't know the size of his arm. I want my husband.
Jessie! She's even a virgin. Jessie! Hey! Jessie, you see this night? You must defile your wife. You must defile your wife this night in my presence.
Mom, I have infection. Mom, I have STDs. Eh? I can't infect my wife with STDs now. Eh? Please, just allow me to take good care of myself. Once I am done, then I can go into her just like you suggested.
Mommy, say lies! Jesse, why are you lying? Mommy does not have infection. Mommy's lying. He's lying, liar.
How do you know he's lying?
Mommy, he's trying to play tricks on us. He wants to play with our head. Ask him. Why don't I know about the medication? Where is the drug that he's taking? Where is it?
Jesse, do you have STDs?
Yes, Mama. I have STDs. I have gonorrhea. I have syphilis. I have staphylococcus. I have scabies. Everything packed in here.
Infect me!
No, I have conscience now. I will not infect you now.
Give me. I will take it. Give me infection. We will treat it like husband and wife. Infect me!
Son? Son, you're damn clean and careful.
You tell me, what have I advised you? I warned you about something. Say you tell me, what motherly love or what motherly advice have you been given to that son that made him flagrantly disobey me as a father? Huh? You tell me, I want to know. Until I disown him as my only child, then both of you will listen to me and do what I've asked you to do.
Chief, you don't have to put the blame on me all the time. You don't have to do that. You don't. I've been talking to him concerning that girl, but it's obvious my words holds no water. He keeps telling me that he'll cut ties when the time comes. What should I do?
Dad, Jason, what did I hear? What is happening? Huh? That you went ahead to engage the girl that your parents told you never to have any affiliation with? Huh? Is that true?
Justin, why?
Yes, Dad.
Why? Why?
Why what?
Now listen to me. Listen to me and listen good, Jason. I am not going to take this. No, not while I'm alive. Not while I am living. Jason, if you want to answer my name as your own name, if you want to remain the MD of my company, if you want my legacy to be yours and yours alone, then you must not marry that girl. Do you hear what I'm saying? Never! You will not marry her. Huh? And now, if you go ahead to marry her, then get to know that you is cut away from this family. Your name is completely obliterated from the register of this family, and I have stopped being your dad. Take it or leave it. That's just it. Excuse me.
Justin, why? The last time we spoke concerning that girl, you told me that you're going to end it up with her. What is the problem? Eh? See, I'm on your father's side though. That day I did like this. You cannot come and spoil my marriage with your stubbornness. You can't do that. You better know what you do. I did not come this far to start arguing with your father. You better know what to do. I'm not coming.
Mom, I love her.
I'll say love.
Good day, sir. Hi, Mom.
Ellie. How are you?
I'm fine, Mom. I hope all is well.
No, there's no problem. Just a little bit of father and son tantrums. It's okay. Have a seat.
Oh.
Ellie, let's go.
Just
Babe.
Meet me in the car right now.
Small, good morning, sir.
Babe, what was that between you and your dad? What did he say?
I'm driving.
Your driving doesn't stop you from talking.
Babe, I am driving, okay?
Fine, just talk to me. What did he say? Baby. All right, fine. So your father doesn't want us to get married? He doesn't like me? And your mother has been pretending?
Baby, no one hates you. Okay?
Why me? Why?
See, babe. My father hated your tribe. But that was the reason. Before my mom, he got married to 2 Obanioko women. In fact, they shot at him. They wrecked him. They betrayed and lied to him. The last one he got married to is a lawyer. He single-handedly trained her in law school until she graduated. But at the end, she filed a divorce and they got separated. These women are from your tribe, from Ubanioko tribe. What do you expect?
Bullshit. Bullshit. So because of fear of what I will do to you, is it?
No, come on. You saved my life. You defended me. When I was negotiating my life with demons, with devils, you came in, you scampered them and saved my life. You took me in. See, Ellie, you know I love you. I love you genuinely, and you know that.
You love me, but I'm not welcomed. I am not welcomed in your family. I love you so much, Jason. But now your father threatened to disown you if you proceed to get married to me. I am a human. I just love you. I don't know where I have faltered. I guess I just have to live your life. It is not my fault that I am in love with you. It is not my fault that I'm from my tribe. But he shouldn't just be hasty in generalization. I need a chance to prove myself, to prove my love, to prove what I feel for you.
Ellie. Ellie.
Hey. You're awake.
Ouch.
Sorry.
Who are you? Are you a doctor? For how long have I been here?
Well, I'm a medical student. You've been here for almost 2 weeks now. Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you for saving my life. Thank you for saving me from their lynch.
Are you a cultist?
It's a long story. I'm just a rival, but I'll quit.
Are you people part of the people that killed?
No. I wasn't part of them. I wasn't around. I traveled to go see my father. He was diagnosed with liver cancer. I was not part of the frat. They only saw me as their rival, so I was targeted.
Well, you need to be strong and get back on your feet. Okay. But I want you to promise me something. I want you to vow that you are going to quit this cultism. There is no gain in it. Why are you promoting it? What do you want to gain? Now look at you. What if they had killed you? What if I didn't show up when I did? They would have lynched you. They would have wasted you. And then what would be the fate of your parents, your loved ones? I believe there is a reason you are still alive. I really want you to repent. Change from your ways. There is honestly zero gain in this. Quit cultism. Please. For the sake of your life, your future, your dreams, your aspiration in life.
I promise. I quit.
Fine. I'll be watching you. Meanwhile, I got you some clothes. I hope they fit.
Thank you so much. You did a good citizen. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll go make you something to eat.
Just say your friend is beautiful.
Thank you, Ma. And so are you. I am pleased to finally meet you in person.
Oh, that's so sweet of you, my angel. I'm pleased too.
Thank you.
You know what matters here? What matters is that you guys are studying hard. That's just the major thing here.
Yes, Dad, we've been studying so hard. As a matter of fact, early here, it's really changed my life for better. All the bad things I used to do, I dropped them.
Like autism.
Oh, yes. No,
yes,
Dad, no.
Jason. You think I do not know that you are in one of those frats in the university?
Dad.
Yes, I saw you the other day wearing their cap. I saw you wearing a cap like that. You think I did not attend the university?
Sir, Jason has really changed for good. Even in his academics, he has really improved.
I can see very well, no doubt. You say you are a
medical student.
Oh, that's very good. Very, very impressive.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very good. All right. So where are you from?
Obani.
Obani?
Yes, sir.
You mean the famous Obani?
Yes, sir. Obaniuku.
Good. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
So for how long now have you known my son?
We've known for quite a long time now, but we're just close for 4 months.
Oh, that means both of you are in your finals.
Yes, sir.
Well, I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you, Ma.
Jason, you appreciate those who save your life, not bringing them into your life. Huh? Would now make you to get into that bloody nonsense? Not dating her or bringing her under my roof. After everything I told you about these Obanyuku women, you still went ahead to have something to do with that woman, Jason? Tell me, what about Mabel? What happened to Mabel? I want to know what happened to Mabel. That crazy girl that you normally have great time with in school those days. Huh? You decided to abandon her just for that Obanyuku girl after everything I told you? Listen, Jason, huh? I just told you that Obanyuku people are killers. They are heartless killers, heartless and ruthless, unappreciated bigots. You cannot bring them under my roof. You know what your father suffered. I told you what your father suffered, and you too want to go through that? Huh? I told you the history of Angelina and Bianca from the same tribe. They will do all the good things for you in the world. And what would they do? They kill you in the end. Jason, I do not believe that everything I told you still want to go through what your father went through. No. It is a no-no for me. You must have nothing to do with an Obanyuku woman.
Dad, she is a good girl, all right? She's not like them. Believe me.
Jesse.
Listen, you have to talk to your son.
Yes, you have to talk to him. I am not going to take this. You and him better know what to do and then take away that stupid nonsense, that thing in that living room. Just take her away out of this house. Otherwise, what I will do to you, you will not like it.
Excuse me. Dad. Mom, please, I beg you in the name of God. Help me talk to Dad, right? I'm in love with Ellie. I am in love with her. We're in love, Mom.
Jesse, I'm not rooting for this. I'm sorry. Get yourself another girl, not from that tribe. Yes, for the sake of my son, I have to be very, very tribalistic here. Sentiment, impulsive, yes. Pay her off for whatever good thing she did for you. Pay her off, let her go. You are not to date or think of getting married to any girl from that tribe.
I can't believe you just said this. I should pay her off for the gold she did for me?
Of course, yes.
A woman that saved my life from the cold hands of death. Mom! Mom, I was brutalized. I was lynched on. Sticks. Stones. Bottle. All in my body. They hit me to the point I started negotiating my life. Mom, they break my bones. My ribs. My joints, all disjointed. My body was shredded in tears. I was crying to God to save me. I was crying and telling the angels to come down and save me. Mom, they keep hitting me. They keep hitting me with stones, with planks. I almost died. This girl came from nowhere. She appeared like an angel and scampered those devils. She saved me. She saved your son, Mom. She took me in. She took good care of me. You and Dad, none of you knew about this whole thing. I love her so much. We loved each other. We fell in love at the right time. So because of the ugly experience Dad had with Obaniko women, that is the only reason he wants to ruin my relationship, my love life with Ellie. Mom, this is cruelty. This is not fair.
Jason, I like the young girl and I love your father. And I'm with your father. There is nothing you will do here. Settle this girl. Money, gold, silver, whatever thing you might think of. Settle the girl, let her go. You're not to marry from that tribe.
Ungrateful heart.
Son.
Ungrateful heart, that's why I perceive here.
Son, I'm with your father. And I will not stand for your father to send me packing from this house because of you. Please, settle that girl. Settle her, let her go.
When my life was broken, I was lonely, no one to talk to. She came like a beautiful angel. I gave my life a meaning. Yeah, she's beautiful, no one else will do. She's everything I need. Yeah, yeah. She's powerful, I don't want nobody else. 'Cause she's the one for me. Yeah, yeah. I found my missing rib in her. She's the one that owns my heart. Yeah, yeah. What we have is made in heaven. Let no one put us under.
Babe, are you okay?
She's my choice.
Why are you like this? You can't be fine. Come on, you. My goodness. Babe, you're running temperature. What is wrong with you? Goodness, what is wrong with you? Come, sit down. Sit down. You're not okay. Let me call the doctor.
I'm fine. I'm weak, but I'll be fine. Just...
Hello, Dr. Stan. Please, can you come to my house right now? My fiancée is weak. She's not feeling fine. All right. Thank you. Please be fine, okay? The father, right? And you are going to be the mother of this child. Oh my goodness, my God, I'm happy I'm going to be a father. Wow, my goodness. Thank you, babe, thank you.
And then what?
You okay?
Get disowned by your parents. Best reasons. I am from Obanuhu tribe. The most heartless. Betrayal. Wicked of all tribes. I don't even stand a chance. I don't.
I have a plan.
What is your plan? sure we are at the right place?
Yes, I'm very sure. Let me call my friend Tunde. Hello, Tunde. I did where you direct me. Are you sure this girl lives around here? Yes, now. But get one batch of they see for my front. Okay.
This is the place.
Yeah, I think so. Onome! Onome! Onome!
Who be that? Who goes there? They shout my name like that.
Onome! See my Gina!
My God!
How you doing?
How you locate my cabana?
When Tunde give me your number,
Oh,
say that this time you live,
today my current G. But you mean say you cross this water?
Oh my cross am.
Yeah, you know they get mine though. You know they chop me man. Okay. How far that?
I'm fine. Hey, Onome, this is my fiancée. Yeah? Ellie, this is Onome.
Guy, why you do like this now? Why you do like this now? You dey introduce me to your, you dey give me proper introduction. I go tell say that me be Onome. You don't forget that me and you they blend together for that bush. Give me proper introduction now.
I know that thing again. I don't drop am. She understands.
Listen, I don't pipe low. I just now they do security work. I mean security guard like this.
You, security.
I dey tell you, that security guard I dey do like this.
Hey,
Yeah,
this is the girl I told you about. She's very popular. Back then in high school, because of her dramatic actions on stage and all that. Oh no, man!
You don't matter. I got sharp.
Oh, Ellie, like I told you, she's on a man. She's the girl I told you about back then in school. I think she can solve this problem for us. See, Onome, you get waiting carry me come your caban today. And I know say you go fit do for me. Remember that drama where you asked that time?
Oh,
you want to be the title again.
God. This guy's bride.
This guy's bride. I they tell you.
Oh. See that this is a me writer and a me director and a me theater and a me do everything. I scatter everywhere boss 2 seconds. They shout on the man today. That day, man, you go far. Everybody come on the man and they hot that time.
Onome, that thing where you do for school, I want to make you do it for me. For me and my wife. You get, babe, you can.
So, we want you to come play as a bride. But this time, it's not going to be a drama. You're going to make it more realistic. Make it believable. Okay?
You don't tell us that it's a rule. That's small thing. We are listening. Well, everything at the same time.
On the man.
At the same thing.
But you have to trim down a whole lot. You have to cut down your slangs, the pigeon, your dressing. You have to really cut down a whole lot, okay? To enable us achieve a flawless goal.
I should talk like this now. It should be cut down. That's how they cut down.
See, Onome, see.
Which kind of talk with that?
See, the issue now be say, I want to make you come act like fake bride to me. And my fiancé be this. You understand? We love each other so much. And my parents don't want us to get married. I don't know why.
True? But why your posse and your mom see they pour out for inside your garina? I mean, this your babe. She say she don't get some kind smelly character where you say, where they see like they go say no, so no good for pikin. They say no, son.
No.
You sure?
No. Ellie is a good girl. All right. So now, what we are going to do is this. I am going to take you to my dad as my wife. You just pretend like we lost contact. I mean, from school days now, we lost contact and all of that. So we saw each other somewhere and we decided to establish our contact back. You get, then we get married. She understand. But remember, oh, now fake bride, no strings attached.
You shall come be that one. You shall come be strange. I tell you, say I strange with you. I strange attached with you. Wetin strange me with you? Why you dey talk like this now? Should I go? Yeah, that's small thing. But you don't say something guys follow now. Something guys drop. Guys drop something.
Are you sure she'll be able to pull this?
Yes, I am very sure.
Guys drop something.
She seemed very unserious.
No, don't worry.
She doesn't look fit.
She's like that sometimes. Okay, she will do it. Believe me. Let's just talk about the money first. Okay, Onome, as it don't be now, how much you go collect?
10 million.
10 what?
It's too small.
Show me 10 million.
10 million will run package.
What did they worry? May you just come be my wife as in fake bride?
Oh yeah, go do one. Go do one. Go do one. It's say easy. Go do fake bride. Go do one. 10 million. They tell you 10 million. They tell me. Go down. It's say easy.
10 million is too much.
It's obviously too much.
So how much do you need?
2 million.
3 million.
Oh, do business.
I think it's fair enough. See, Onome, this money we won't give you soon because I like you. She understand me.
No like me, oh. No dey like me for you.
Now 3 million we go pay you.
I go do am 5 million.
3 million naira.
5 million. You go do abi no go do. They even tell me last. You go do
I'll
abi
be
no
your
go
person.
do.
What did they do?
Oh,
What
5 million. You go do abi no go do.
Now 3 million we go pay.
Na 5 million. No easy, oh. No wetin I wan go do for you. I go display, oh.
5 million.
When I talk, oh.
5 million. That's a whole lot of money.
We don't have an option.
Oh yeah, no problem now. But na clean sheet.
Hey, my God!
Na clean sheet. Wait, first, I talk finish.
Alright, I don't deal. Correct guy. I'm gonna go now.
Like, we'll give you the money now.
You go, just go send me robbers, but who they do the thing like that? Don't be sharp. I mean, no one marry. Where they go? Where they go? My God.
See. Wait now. Wait. You get paper where you go sign for me. Remember saying a contract,
Go bring her.
no string attached to.
Go bring her, come, sign. Go bring her.
Yeah, more they go now.
Go bring her, corner. My guy. I'm gonna go. Wait till you strange, where they go?
I am damn serious.
You go break the bone. I'm gonna go. Where they go? Say that no strange. Che. My guy, Jay. Go.
Baby, yeah. I will always come around. I'll always be with you.
Jason, don't you think that your parents will find out that you were legally married without their consent? That you disobeyed them?
Baby, you don't need to worry yourself about that. Okay? I will handle it. You know my dad. I wouldn't want to get into a dirty fight with him. I have built an understanding relationship with him. And my mom, this is the first time she didn't stand by me. So please allow me to handle it. Please.
I understand. I know me being in this house, playing as your wife. And while me, I'm just a shadow of myself. I can't even exercise my marital right as your wife. But it's fine. I understand.
Babe, you will always be my wife. You're a medical doctor. You spend most of your time in the hospital. Okay? I will always come around. Either you're in the hospital or in my home. We'll always be together, and that's what matters. Right? Come on.
I love you so much, Jason.
I love you too. I love you so much. I can't stop loving you.
And thank you for choosing me despite the storm.
And I will always choose you over and over again. I love you, baby.
I too.
Eli, welcome.
How are you?
Thank you.
Okay.
Should we travel?
No, so I got you some clothes. In here are your clothes and some hairs. You can try them on.
For me?
Mm-hmm.
Hey! Chai!
Okay, I will be in my room now, okay?
Hey, no wahala. Eli,
Alright.
that's you fine. Fine girl.
Sis, how far now? How you see this clothes? You fine?
Fine.
Eh. Oh yeah, now maybe when me wig now, make I see as I take B. My tola. Don't do my thing. Oh no, man. Hi! You're fine. Must still try this other one. Must try this one. Let's see this one. Yeah. Oh no, I don't arrive. Not like this.
Not like that.
Chai. Oh, no, man, you too fine. It's all fine. It's all fine. Yeah. Must still try this one. Eh? Must try this one. Hey, man. Since how you take this one, eh?
You fine,
This one set.
Fine.
Let me wig.
Yeah.
This one's very blink. Good day. My name is Onome. Onome. Actually, I'm
Anama, I hope you're enjoying your meal.
It's sweet though, no go lie.
Oh no, man.
It's sweet.
All right, tomorrow we'll be having dinner in my father's house.
How do you game now?
Oh no, man.
Okay, baby. It will be a great pleasure to meet your parents, isn't it? Guy, why they do like this now? Stop and now my job is this. Why they just they laugh.
And that's not your job. But you're supposed to do all of this in front of my father, not before my own woman. Come on.
It's okay. I believe she knows what she's doing. She knows what to say and when to say it.
Yes, yes. So this is just the tip of the iceberg.
It's okay. It's all right. We've seen you. Purely professional. We've seen you. All right? We'll see all of that displayed in front of my father, okay? Tomorrow. So, eat, enjoy your meal, baby. Tastes nice. Oh, Mom.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Dad.
Hello, Jason. How are you?
I'm good.
Absolutely, darling. How are you? Thank you. It's good to see you, Ma. I must say you look so flawless.
Thanks for that compliment. You're welcome, okay?
Thank you, Ma.
Mom.
Just saying.
Dad.
Yeah.
Meet Onome. She is my old-time friend, way back in her institution. We met last month at a business summit, so we started keeping in touch.
Oh.
Onome, meet my parents.
Oh, really? That's wonderful.
Yes, sir. We were very good friends, but I had to travel to London to further my education. But as God may have it, we met last month at the business summit.
That's fine. Please sit down. Sit down. Welcome to our home.
Thank you.
So, Jason, I mean, why haven't you talked about her? I mean, you said nothing about her all the while.
Yes, Dad.
We were not so close. Jason here is a very nice person. We had good academic memories. I guess I did not really leave an impact. That's why he didn't talk about me. Right, Jason?
Yes, I was literally trying to...
study. He was busy with his academic and Ellie. That reminds me, you never said anything about Ellie. What about her?
She left. She felt my parent didn't want her, like her, so she left.
You mean you both broke up?
She broke up with me.
My daughter, where are you from?
I'm from Anambra. Oba in Anambra.
You talked about business strategies.
Oh, yes. Actually, my father owns a small oil company, old tech oil company, and I happen to be the one managing it. As the only child.
Well, good, very good. You're welcome once again.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you, Ma.
Dad, Mom, you're happy now, right?
Well, I have to be happy. I'm proud of you, son.
Thank you.
Hope you're enjoying your meal.
Yes, sir. I am. It's actually very delicious. My disciplinarian father. I knew he was going to call me. Hello, Daddy. Daddy, I'm fine. Daddy, I'm with Jason. Yes, Jason and his amazing family. Daddy, let me call you back in a jiffy, okay? Daddy, I didn't forget. Okay, no problem. I love you, Daddy. I'm so sorry about that. It was my father. You know, he's so protective over me as the only child.
Oh, that's nice. You know what? I would love to meet him someday.
Sure. I mean, most definitely you will. You will.
Very nice, very, very impressive. Great.
See, Onome, making a phone call before my father wasn't part of the arrangement. It wasn't part of the plan. I mean, where you want me to go get big man that will provide the kind of money you enlisted for my father?
Oh, Baba, you calm down now. Calm down. You too the para. Calm down. See, men do. Men mount. See, just hold your rubber. I think even arrange and go tell me you come your house.
What's in the worry you now? Do you think we're joking here?
See, I am not joking. See, I scripted this thing, so allow me go according to my spirit. Calm down now. You too the para.
Okay, fine. But please, I use God beg you. No go to tell my pastor your father. Now childhood friend, so don't go tell. Please. I use God beg you.
Oh, okay. I don't hear. Executive producer, I don't hear. You said you did doubt me.
No, now.
Leave this thing for me. Now me the runner. Leave on.
You know they hear what? You
did doubt me, oh. You did doubt me. You did look me less. You did doubt me. Don't worry, now you'll be like film. Your baba go chop everything. My guy.
I don't tell you now.
My guy, you calm down now. How you too do?
I like her. I like her very much. She's a good girl. I really like her. She will make a good home. You see, she still has faith for her father. Yes, she will definitely make a good home.
Ellie is also a good girl. Just that she is unfortunate.
Forget about that. Jason has made a good choice for himself. And I like it.
Who would love to be disowned by his father?
Man, he's my son. He has retraced his steps. So I'm proud of him.
It's okay.
Of course.
Jason, you need to understand with your father. It's not his fault. We are not fortunate with women from Obanubu tribe.
Mom, Ellie is gone and gone for good. Let's do away with that.
I'm sorry. Poor Ellie. She's such a nice girl. But I can't tell. Once bitten, twice shy. Every other parents will do the same for their children. I know you guys have come a long way.
Yes. We have come a long way and things turn out to be this way. See, Mama, that's the thing of the past, like I said. I am getting married to Onome. That is the focal point. Please, let's not talk about tribe and women, all right? What is important right now is that I'm getting married to Onome. We are working things out. So please, do away with Ellie. Let's not talk about it. It is a thing of the past.
It's okay, I understand. It's okay. I'm just trying to show concern.
Thanks for your concern, Mama.
You should consider an elaborate traditional wedding too, Jason.
No. I just want a small family traditional marriage. Just a few persons from both families. I'm fine with that.
It's okay. That's okay. A friend of mine told me that he saw you at the court in Ikeja.
Oh, he did?
Saw you with a lady. I presume it's your woman and a man. I already know.
Yes, Dad. Yes, I went for our court wedding. Not to get a date. Yes, a date.
Are you all right? You're stuttering, Jason.
Dad, I'm fine. I posted a video on the internet telling my friends of the replacement of my soon-to-be bride. You know, they were all expecting me to end up with Ellie. As if it didn't work out the way I planned.
That's okay. You'll get over it, you know. I know what I want, Jason. And you gave me what I want. So, I am a happy man. How is the wedding preparation going?
Fine, Dad.
Oh, yeah. It's all good. Just all fine. All good. You have access to fund. Just any amount. Go ahead. Take and use. Just do whatever you can do. Okay? Chief.
Yes, thank you for having me, Chief Hodge.
Oh, the pleasure is all mine. Chief, we are very delighted for letting you have our daughter in this house.
Yes.
We are very, very delighted. Thank you very much.
Too.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. You're welcome.
So we look forward to the wedding.
Oh, why not? Oh, yes. All right. Why not?
We should be on our way now.
Oh, okay. Let me see you off to your car.
That's good.
Okay.
I'm honored.
Say me well to your children. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. So, let's go on. Oh, can I?
This is your balance. See, don't forget to. The trad, you must be there.
I'm always there for you.
Papa the Papa.
Oh no, man.
Papa. Don't worry, I'll see more of you. Bye-bye.
My doctor.
So you mean someone saw you that very day in the court?
Yes. Luckily, he didn't recognize you, the person. I mean, he probably think maybe you're a lawyer.
Oh, I get it.
Yes, and he had to call my dad on phone and relate it to him. Can you imagine?
You need to be careful, my dear husband.
I am, and you too, you need to be very careful.
How? I'm always careful.
How? Because I keep visiting you in your office every now and then.
Well, that's not true. It's not every now and then.
Okay, I get it. Right? Let's not argue. So, how is our baby doing down here?
Baby's doing finer than daddy.
It's okay. But I'm the father, right? So he can do better than me for now.
I get it. I love you so much, Jason. I really do.
I love you too, baby.
Do you want to do something?
Mama, wake up. Mama, man. Cynthia!
You don't come.
Why are you here? I thought I showed you to your room. What are you doing on my bed?
I be saying our only moonlight now.
You know easy to do wedding, my whole joint they pay me, my back, everywhere they pay me. See, your papa know people, oh. The whole men went through this country just attend this wedding. That's how they greet. Ah, I don't tire.
Just few persons, right? Please, excuse us. Go to your room. I should go to your room now. What are you doing here? Go to your room!
I don't hear. You know easy. This wedding guy, you know easy. Easy, oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Be fast.
You must be really tired. I should get you something to eat.
Oh, no, babe. No, I'm really tired. My head is banging. I just want to rest, okay? Rest, baby. I just want to rest.
You're gonna rest, but I need you to gist me. How did it go? Tell me everything that I need to hear. Did you dance? Tell me everything, please.
Babe, come on. I'm so tired. Let me just catch up with myself first. I'll tell you, I promise. Okay?
No catching up.
Oh.
Tell me.
Wow. I want to come out this gown now. Sure. Big man picking Musha. Eh? How long? How long they won't continue to play this game? Eh? So for in my mind, Papa no go ever find out. Think concern me. Space they chill. Space they chill. Think be my own. After all, I don't do the fake marriage. If they like, if they no like, I go sleep like this tomorrow. Tomorrow I go find way come. I don't know as I won't take sleep. Stay cool.
Onome? Hello?
Hey, Eli. Good morning, though. So say you enjoy your bath for night. How your night?
My night was beautiful. And yours?
No, just do. You know, say I don't get man for this place now, so go won't finish me.
Cold. Why didn't you turn off the AC or go under the duvet?
Me, I know sabi off na AC. They straight to be that.
It's okay. I will teach you. Okay. But meanwhile, you know you're not supposed to be doing this. It is my duty to wash the dishes, clean the kitchen, and all that. Okay, so I will quickly do all that and then go upstairs and prep for work.
No worry. No say, now our husband's house, now our duty.
What?
Now our husband's house now our duty to clean our husband's house. Your husband, now my husband. Your kitchen, now my kitchen. You understand?
Onome?
Onome, you see your face, eh? A joke. Nah, prank. You pray fool. I just a joke. But it's not a joke with you again. Sure? No worry. Leave kitchen for me today. Good one. Just go inside, go rest. Eli. Okay. Just a shout for night. Man, no like get better ringtone. They teach you where. Get better ringtone. Even me like this baby woman. That's why I just the room for bed. My body just this sweet me. See, remain small. I for enter inside room and help you when they no kill you. That just don't try you. 1 hour. Hey, you self get power. Man, no lie. Eli. Try it.
Okay, so.
Where you want go? Wait, we talk. See, I tell you, get luck. Better luck will you get. Only you want man rich. Only you get money. You fine. Come sabi. You go market today. Congratulations. You try. Wait. You dey heaven, no man no lie. Dey heaven.
Onome, I have to go prep for work, okay?
Walala.
See you.
Enjoy, Vice Minister. You dey enjoy for this life where you come. I do the one when they concern me. Scream for night, I will go join you for inside room. Oh no, man, get sense. I don't even understand this phone. Cool.
You came around. You didn't tell me.
You feel like say you don't sleep here for like 2 days.
Oh, yes, I traveled. I called my parents. Did I call you?
No. But where you can't stay?
I have another place, so I went there to spend some time with my wife.
Oh, I see.
Did anyone come around?
Nobody don't come. Only me here since. Nobody don't come. I never even come myself.
Okay.
I cook. So if you just go inside, make you rest, make I serve you food.
Oh, no. Don't bother, right? My wife made something for me. I'm filled. I'm okay. I am really tired. I need to rest.
Okay. Who will come chop the food back? My wife cook food. Me, I no be your wife. My wife cook food.
Oh, babe. When are you coming back from the hospital? Are you coming home or? Oh, okay then. Yeah, I met her at home. Thought she had gone back. Oh, darling, I'll call you back, okay? Hang in there. Come in. Onome.
My husband. You know, still my turn.
I don't understand what you mean.
Just say you don't understand. Let's I'll be your wife. I won't make we do the do. You know, see, since we marry, you never get time.
Stop this. What is wrong with you?
You relax now. Relax now.
Wait. I know you're trying to, perfect your acting prowess on me. Don't do that. This is not for me. This is an act you have to put on whenever I am with my parents.
Yeah, only that. I say make you lie down for bed, make we do waiting man and woman. You be my husband, Abi, don't forget say you marry me. I say make you climb bed now.
Are you the joke? Cynthia. And Cynthia take no you the joke. When I joke, you the joke.
Now play. Oga, lie down for bed, make we do
Hey, stop this! Are you okay?
I don't understand. Wait, I don't understand. Okay. So now me, good for acting. Then Eli, Eli, go be for marriage. I be say no like better thing. Okay, I go come there house they old. I go there they do performance for you. You go there they marry your wife and I go they born children. I go there they old. Oh, but you like that for them, knock.
Hey, stop this. What is wrong with you? Don't try it. See, let me tell you something. Let me remind you in case you've lost it. I contracted you for this job. And I paid you a sum of 5 million naira to come here for the replacement of my bride. Replace my bride so that I can have peace from my parents. That's why I've contracted you. And please, don't.
You don't talk finish. You don't talk finish. Oh, yeah, climb bed. You don't see me now, you married me to come and act. I will come just stay here. You no go touch me, you no go service me, you no go do anything. So, see, no try me, oh. No try that something they make me vex. I say, you like that.
Stop this!
Like that. I tell you, say, something they do me for body. You tell me.
Come on.
What's that? See, I go change that for you,
Come on, stop it. Are you okay?
I go change that for you.
Are you mad? Have you got nuts?
You safe. Calm down. No face. Help. I love my own jungle baby. No face. Now this thing in the home, no face. Just like that, make you do this thing.
Hey, stop
now
this.
My body they sweet me.
Stop now. Stop. If this is a joke, just stop it. Okay? See, I love my wife. Okay? I love my wife so much.
I love you.
Stop now. Stop. Can you just stop?
Don't lie that down.
Come on. Stop. Stop. Are you okay?
I will change that for you.
Are you okay?
I know.
Hey, I've told you. You are leaving my house, alright? You are leaving my house. I do not want to see you by the time I come back from work.
Jason, you guys calm down, oh. You guys mellow down because I don't want your bro over my way. What did you also say?
You guys mellow down. Are you okay? No, are you mad?
See, no, see, no, baby.
Hey.
You're so naughty.
I know. Wow. I just want to scream loud, I love you! Mom!
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm fine.
Wow.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I can see you people are having fun.
Yes, Mom. You're with your bag.
Yes.
Are you traveling or something?
I'm coming to your house. Yes. Actually, your wife asked me to come and stay with you for a while. But what I'm hearing from her, is it true?
Mom, what's that?
Your wife said, since after your marriage, that you don't want to enjoy your honeymoon. It's work, and work. What is the problem? Since you got married to her, you have not gone into her. You don't want to touch her. What is the problem? What is the problem? You don't know how to do it?
Onome, you said that to Mom.
Of course. Now, are you not going to work? You're off to work. No, I have to call your father. I'll talk to your father.
Mom,
he needs to allow you to rest. Your father must allow you to rest. Not work. You need to cool down, enjoy your honeymoon. Enjoy your honeymoon and give me grandchildren. That is what we want now. We want our grandchildren. Yeah? I need to talk to your father.
Mom, please don't do this. I am going to work right now, all right?
Work? No, there is no work. I am here now.
What?
The only work you have now is to take care of this, your wife, so that you make babies. Nola, if you don't know how to do the needful, I will teach you how to do it now, and you will do it now. Take your wife inside.
Mom, please.
Take your wife inside the room.
Mom, I am going to work right now.
No work. No work.
You will not give me attention. I want to make babies too.
Thank you.
I want babies.
Onome, please, take your husband inside the room. Seduce him very, very well. Or don't you know how to do it?
Mommy, I can do it very well.
Do your work. And give me grandchildren. That's all. No work. Now. Just a lawyer.
Yes, please. I don't have
Exactly.
to respect your mommy like this.
Exactly.
Go inside.
Don't worry, I'll carry my box. Don't worry. Just go. Go, do your work. Do your work. I don't have to you.
Yeah, Mom.
That is it. That is the love.
Yeah, baby.
That is the love. No, Mom. We need grandchildren.
Listen, woman, huh? I did not ask anybody to work. Huh? Why would he be working? I said I did not ask anybody to work. He should not be working. He should be outside the country for his honeymoon. Christiana, stop yelling at me. I did not ask him to work. Why would he be working? I mean, he has something new. He should be enjoying his new marriage. And besides, what are you doing in the house of a newly wedded couple? Okay, it's not everything I should know, of course you know. Huh? All right, suit yourself, but do not be a burden to anybody. Huh? They should enjoy their wedding. They just got married. Listen, it's okay. I'm going to call him, and I will find out from him why he should be working. Yes, I'll call Jason right away. Jude!
Sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Okay, sir.
See, your mama no dey go anywhere. She no go come up for this house until we settle this our marriage issue. She no dey go anywhere.
Anoma, what are you trying to do? What is wrong with you? How could you call Mama over to my house? For what? Wait. You want to blackmail me? You want to ruin everything for me?
You know, say, I don't even understand you. I don't understand. So they try to tell me, say, I'm not fine for marriage. As I did like this, as I package like this, as I arrange like this, I don't fit for marriage. You know, since when I don't they look you, since when I don't they look you. Right from the days of the jungle ties for campus. As I like the way they take waka, the way they take carry yourself, the way they package. But you know, say, leave and not even agree, make I talk to you. But God just see him. He arrange him. He say, okay, time don't wish me and you day. As I did like this, me and you now legit. The love, everything don't grow. Now legit we they do 100% marriage. Tell me.
Anoma, don't make me regret this. Please, I beg in the name of God. We had an agreement. Please fall back to that agreement. I am begging you now, please.
I know they fall back to any acting. You know they understand. Make I fall. Okay, you better wake up. Oh, now marriage you do. Me and you don't marry. Now marriage. Now marriage.
I paid you 5 million naira.
Okay, you dey shout. Shout now, make your mama hear. I could just go downstairs and go play tape. Me we just cast everything. You shout, give me. I be small picky. You don't marry. You better wake up. You shout. Be your wife. Oh.
Babe. Yeah, I can hear you. What? Why would she try to mess everything up? Your mom is there? Why would she say a thing like that you don't want to sleep with her? Is she stupid? I don't understand. Jason, you see what I told you. I told you I was never comfortable with this, your superstar stage drama girl. I was never comfortable with her. Oh, but now you see, she wants to mess everything up. But why would you even sleep with her as what? Is she stupid? Does she even think? Explain to her. Make her understand that this is contract. She signed it. My goodness. She's threatening to report. To tell your father everything. Damn it. girl is insane. Of course she has nothing to lose. Okay. No. No. No, she can't possibly... No. No. She can't do a thing like that. I think I just have to call her. I have to call her. This is crazy. This girl is a wolf.
Look, Jason, I learned you've been lying to your wife that you've been going to the office. I got an information from that office that all you do is breeze in and breeze out. Take it upstairs. Okay, sir. And your mother told me that you have been going to the office instead of you to sit at home and enjoy your honeymoon with Cynthia. Jason, I want to believe it's not what I'm thinking. No, listen. I just want to believe this is not what I'm thinking. Jason, you should behave yourself. Behave like a well-trained man from a good home. Huh? Stop going to the office. Work from home. In fact, you know what? Take a vacation. Just go and leave. Okay? Take a trip. Go to anywhere you want to go to. Go and have a swell time with your wife. Huh? And another thing. Tell your mother that it is wrong for her to be in a house of a newly wedded couple. She must come back to the house right away. Yes, tell her to come back to the house. It's okay. Let her leave you people to enjoy yourselves. I mean, you just got wedded. I hope you do understand. Okay.
Jason, I'm not leaving this house. Or are you chasing me away?
Mom, why should I? No.
Okay, then tell your father that I'm not coming back until I see a remarkable change between you and Onome.
Mom, we don't have any problem, right? It is normal for couple to have disagreements, but all we do is iron them ourselves. That's all.
Then convince me that you're a man enough by doing that. And Onome is the only woman that would let me know that you people are good. Jason, I'm still having these feelings that you're still seeing Ellie. Stop visiting her. Stop. Please, you have to cut the ties completely with her. You have to stop. Do the needful. Cherish your wife. Transfer all the love you have for Ellie to her, to Onome. Remember, extramarital affairs is a sin against man and God. Remember, the priest told you that day. Please love your wife and do the needful. We need grandchildren. Grandchildren, we need grandchildren. We are getting old.
Oh my goodness. Mom.
Is it painful?
Who told you this?
You're asking me? Your wife? Yes. You have to swallow the bitter truth because that is the truth. You're not doing your work. You're not doing your work.
Abi alien. See, I no wan put mouth for your matter. You dey feel me? I call your husband. Eh? Wetin I talk now, he bad. I don't talk anything now. I don't already agree say we go share our husband. He go there with you this week. Next week he go there with me. I do bad. He go come meet you next week. There with me upper week. Wetin I talk now, he bad. See, he be like say you no wan see Jason again. I no go allow you see Jason because if Jason come see you now, na too fit japa. You go come be me where they will come dey laugh, say my husband leave and run. Look, make I tell you. They marry you for court. They marry me for church. Respect them. If you no respect man, you go respect God.
Onome, listen. May I remind you that you were contracted to do this job. What are you driving at? Onome, this is a contract. You were paid for this job. Why the hell do you want to mess everything up? Are you okay? Onome, Jason is not your husband. Let us sink deep down into you and stick into your skull. Jason is not your husband. Play your role and play it well. Who paid you? I don't know what you want to make out of this, but honestly, I am no longer comfortable. But for whatever reason, Onome, I am going to give you an extra 5 million naira. Please, leave my husband alone. I am legally married to him. Onome, what will you gain if his family disowns him? What will you gain if you mess this whole thing up? What will you gain? Onome, please. Deliver your part. Play your role well. Please. This is no longer funny. Send me your account number.
When my father-in-law give me G-Wagon as wedding gifts, you dey tell me say make I leave marriage. For your full life, you get G-Wagon. You don't even see G-Wagon drive before. Make I come out for heaven where God don't keep me. Make I go hellfire. Make I go back to trenches, go suffer. I tell you say I like suffer. Eh? I tell you say I like suffer. See, make I tell you, make I just tell you now, make I clear you now. I know they come up for this marriage. Even the 100 billion naira where you won't give me, I've been at trillion. I don't want time. You dey hear me? You na rich doctor. Eh? Do your doctor. Make I handle my marriage. I know they leave my marriage. You dey hear me? I go marry my husband. Marry your job. Nonsense. I come up for my marriage.
Why is she doing this? Why? What do I do?
Please now, please don't do this now, eh? This is not fair.
See, I will call your mama. I will call your mama. I will shout.
Don't.
Mom!
Hey! Onome, see. I am regretting all this already. I know I've made the greatest mistake of my life, but please don't do this now, please, eh? Stop now, I love my wife.
I be your wife now. I'm waiting. Mom!
Hey, stop now, stop. See, Onome, I will give you 20 million naira. 20 million naira, please.
100 million naira self I no go collect. I need my man. You be my husband. Eh? We are grounded.
No, men now, eh? Stop.
I come here.
Onome.
See, I'm going to jungle side for you. I'm going to come on,
Stop.
follow you.
Stop now, Onome.
Okay,
I used to stop it. Please, Onome, stop that. Onome now.
Stop me.
was broken. I was lonely, no one to talk to. She came like a beautiful angel. I gave my life a meaning. Yeah, she is beautiful, no one else will do. She's everything I need. Yeah, yeah. She's powerful, I don't want nobody else. 'Cause she's the one for me. Yeah, yeah. I found my missing rib in her. She's the one that owns my heart. Yeah, yeah. What we have is made in heaven. Let no one put us under. She's my choice, the one I love. She is irreplaceable. Yeah, I can't explain it, but I know that this is love. We are meant to be. Oh, I'm missing rib in her. She's the one that owns my heart. Yeah, yeah. What we have is made in.
Jason, why are you sex-starving your wife? What is the problem with you? What is practically wrong with you? Jason, her body belongs to you. Your body is her body. What is the problem? Are you not man enough?
Mom.
Tell me, what is that thing that you're hiding from your wife that you don't want to tell her? Tell me, I'm here.
Nothing, Mom.
Then, you will go into her this night. You see this night? Jason, you see this night? You will go into her this night and make her feel like a wife. Now, even in my presence, this night, now.
See, Mom, you need to excuse us. Please give us some privacy. No, I want to talk to her.
No. No. I'm tired now. I'm tired. This is not what you promised me when you asked for my hand in marriage. Oh. This is not what you promised me now. I'm suffering. You know, if I tell my father about this that you're doing to me, he's not going to take it lightly with you.
Jason, you're getting me crazy. You're making me mad. You see, first thing tomorrow morning, your father is coming here. Your father is coming here to talk to you. What is the problem? Eh? Why can't you do your work? What is the problem? What is the problem? See, my daughter-in-law, don't involve your father. Okay? I beg of you, don't tell her. Don't tell your father. I will handle this matter. Okay?
I want my husband. I want my man. I want my man. I want him to define me. Mama, I don't even know the size of his arm. I don't know the size of his arm. I want my husband.
Jason! She's even a virgin. Jason! Hey! Jason, you see this night? You must defile your wife. You must defile your wife this night in my presence.
Mom, I have infection. Mom, I have STDs. Eh? I can't infect my wife with STDs now. Eh? Please, just allow me to take good care of myself. Once I am done, then I can go into her just like you suggested.
Maurice, he's lying. Jesse, why are you lying? Mommy does not have infection. Mom, he's lying. He's lying, liar.
How do you know he's lying?
Mommy, he's trying to play tricks on us. He wants to play with our head. Ask him. Why don't I know about the medication? Where is the drug that he's taking? Where is it?
Jason, do you have STDs?
Yes, Mama. I have STDs. I have gonorrhea. I have syphilis. I have staphylococcus. I have scabies. Everything packed in here.
Infect me!
No, I have conscience now. I will not infect you now.
Give me. I will take it. Give me infection. We will treat it like husband and wife. Infect me!
Son, son, you're damn clean and careful. You cannot have STDs.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Newsflash. Now, Ellie gave me this infection we're talking about. I had unprotected sex with her, and I feel maybe that this is one of the ways she want to punish me because I didn't get married to her. That's what I'm treating.
Ikechukwu, the Ellie you're talking about is a medical doctor.
And so what?
What are you hallucinating here?
And so what? A medical doctor, they fall sick too. Doctors fall sick too, they have infections too. They are humans just like me and you. What is this now? That's what we should be talking about. What are you saying here?
Mommy, tell him to infect me.
I will not infect you.
Come and infect me.
I will not infect you.
Jesse, come and infect me. Oh my God, call your son. Come and infect me.
Is this how bad you want me?
Mama, it's not me. It's not me. Come and infect me.
Onome. That is careful, buddy. That is careful, buddy. Onome!
I don't know what to do anymore. I am tired. I am confused. I don't know why I have to go through all this. Your parents doesn't like me because of my tribe. I am not God. I don't know how to change it. In as much as I really want to be with you, Jason, but I can't continue like this. I will just have your baby and move on. No, Jason, I can't do this, honestly. I just have to give way. You can just have her. Just be with her, please. I can't do this. I deserve better than this. I have to move on. I'm sorry.
Wait, babe, please. How can you even say that to me? Babe, no, it's not what you can't do this to me now. But just hello? Hello? Damn! Fuck! Oh my goodness!
Onome, my beautiful wife, You don't have to put your health at risk. You have to give your husband the benefit of doubt. Yes. Maybe he's saying the truth. Yes. I have to return to my house. My husband is worried.
I know the truth. I know the truth. He's lying. Yes.
How?
Mama, see, you can call the family doctor. Call the family doctor to run tests. He's running away from me. I don't know, he will just go out from the house. 3 days he will not come back. I don't know where he is to go to. You will not tell me.
Huh?
I want to speak to you now.
You don't shout at your wife like that. You dare not.
Mom.
Jesse, I'm beginning to reason with Onome that you cooked up story to me just to avoid sleeping with her.
Mom, please. I want you to stay out of this. Onome.
Jesse, you don't want me. Stop it! Mama, stop it!
See, Aye, make a change for you for my caban now. You dey feel me. Show you the grandma matasi they sob now. Jungle man na jungle man. You dey hear me? Once a sailor, it's always a sailor. Sea no dey dry. For here, my ship no dey capsize. Now listen to me and listen to me very well. I want you to leave my house immediately. I am bringing in my wife. Okay? I am tired of your games. I am tired of everything. See, as you day now, you don't finish. Director don't cut. It is a wrap. Now wrap we day now. You didn't hear me? Go back to your trenches. That is where you belong.
Fine boy. See, I'm speaking fine. Eh? Bushmeat. Bado. I been made give am for just 441. To all the senior bros, I hail you. I hail you. But you see, you know rich. You know get level.
Eh?
You know get level.
You say waiting.
I mean, you dey change am for. You dey change am for me unto say wetin happen. You don't forget saying that me and you dey blend for campus October 18, 2018. You don't forget, make I refresh your memory. Look, make I tell you. Snake no dey swallow in fellow snake. You dey hear me? Me and you na forever alignment of marriage. Now Onome talk am. You dey feel me?
Onome, you dey try me.
You no fit do anything.
Onome, I go wound you. I go wound you.
You know water for mouth. Forget.
Onome! How my liver take fail me like this? How my liver take fail me now? Kai.
My husband food done ready when you go chop. When they not talk say they starve you the way they take starve me for inside room. Eh? Go chop.
Do you know you're wicked? No, do you know that? Just imagine you being in her shoes. What will you do?
I know they find anybody's shoe now. Me, I get my own shoe where they wear. I know they find. What's it concern person's shoe? Her shoe. I know they find her shoe. I know.
Onome, Ellie is 2 months and 2 weeks pregnant for me. She is dying in pains. She's not even picking my calls. And all you are doing is how to snatch someone's husband. What is wrong with you? Huh?
I don't understand though.
No. You are just an opportunist. A demonic opportunist. An extremist for that matter.
See, all this your many grammar way they speak, no feel boy. Water make eba for inside kitchen. Now you know they understand me. You are know they understand me now. I not to say me you know Maria.
You go deal with her 1 week. You go deal with me. We go they share you. Now combine marriage with you now. Now 2 of us.
Hey. Let me sound this as a warning. Not warning, it is a rule. I am not a polygamous activist. Do you understand that?
Me, I no send you. I no kukuma send anybody. Your papa give me G-Wagon. This I go come on. I don't come go anywhere. I die here. See, you feel make me 10th wife. I go dey lawyer because I know they go anywhere. I know they go anywhere. They go anywhere. Yeah, they.
I hate you. I caused the day I made this decision of coming to that trenches to look for you, you bloody bastard.
Thank you. For me, I love you. I love you. I love you. Love it. I bless the day when you come.
Don't touch me.
Go chop. Go chop.
I said don't lay your hands on me.
Go chop, me no girls. I go chop. Go chop. No go chop.
Get out.
Oh, go chop. Well, go chop. Oh, you say you go to deny me your tanta. Me self, I won't carry belly for you. I won't carry belly for you. This is not only a go carry. See they watch self.
Babe, come on, please now. I am begging you, at least for the sake of our unborn child, please, don't do this. You don't need to be scared. See, I don't know how else to beg you. I love you so much and you know that. See, I am ready to prove it. I'm ready to prove it. See, the first thing I'm going to do right now, I am going to call my father and tell him that it is you that I want. And also, I don't even care if he takes everything from me. The company, the money, everything. I just want to be myself and love you forever. Please, don't do this. I beg you. Yes, I know. You're the one I want, right? You're the one I want in my life. There's no other woman I want. I don't want her. I am ready to sacrifice anything it's going to take just to be with you. Please. You want? You're hanging up? You want to call back? You want me to... Hello?
You don't do more will I don't sleep. That your call don't too much. Oh, sleep.
See, make I tell you. If you don't want to die this night, if you don't want me to lay my hands on you, get out of my room, Ryan.
Maybe I say you won't lose everything. Oh, you just say I don't know everything where they go on. You know, say if I open my mouth now, make I tell Papa everything. Even this house where you stay, you go lose her. I be want make I remind you, say, if I tell your Papa now, say, Ellie, you and Ellie don't do marriage for their back. She go see carry belle. You go lose everything, not because of woman. You don't go do this thing and make we enjoy this marriage, make me and you package. You don't use me dumping now. You know how many times when I don't work, I go church, different church, native doctor, and they pray, may God send man come my way. He send man come my way now, you won't dump me for roadside. Use your head, though.
Do you know you're a devil?
I know.
Now me, God sent to you. You're a devil. See, me, Jason, will never be your man. Right? Look at you. No, look at you. You define husband, rich. Now my own side, that he won't come find husband rich. You dey Chris?
If you finish like that, maybe sleep. I don't sleep. Oh.
You're coming to sleep in my bed. See, if you don't want me to spill your blood on the floor, get out of my bed now.
Okay, they shout and they sleep. They shout. They sleep.
Yeah, they shout. For my own bed. Ah, God. Get out. Come on. Get out.
Jason, can you hear me? Jason, please, just leave her alone. Just let her be. Leave her. Jason, can you hear me? Let her be. Just leave her, okay? Leave her. She's just evil. Just leave her, please. Let her be. Jason. Babe. Jason.
So how you doing? Come on now, talk to me. What is it? See, just relax, babe, all right? Everything will be fine. I know how hard this is for you. I know the pain and the agony. Just relax. Like I said, everything will be fine, okay? Babe, come on now. Yes, I know. I understand, right? But hello? Ellie? Hello, Ellie? Can you hear me? Not available. What happened?
She's beautiful, no one else will do. She's everything I need, yeah, yeah. She's powerful, I don't want nobody else. 'Cause she's the one for me, yeah, yeah. I found my missing rib in her. She's the one that owns my heart, yeah, yeah. What we have is made in heaven. Let no one put us under.
Did you say Jason is not married? He's not happy with the woman he brought to us. I mean, he chose the woman, so why is he not happy?
You don't think he's still in contact with Ellie?
Then that is his business. He's married to the woman he brought to us. So if he's still in contact with Ellie and that ruins his marriage, then it's none of my business. All I would do is cast him out as my son, period.
You are the father. But all I know is Jason, our son, is not happy. I can read it through his eyes.
Don't worry, you'll get better. You know, I was like that. I really thought I did not like you when I got married to you. Oh, yes. But here we are, you know.
moving on real strong. Listen, you are a rare treasure that cannot be found anywhere. You're such an amazing, you are such an amazing treasure.
Chief, that is not a compliment.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just sorry. I don't know how else to put it. You know what? Other women were thorn in my flesh. But you came in with a healing balm and made me settle and become very, very assuredly happy in my family home. Okay? So I know he'll get better.
I'm not seeing that happening anytime soon.
Don't worry. He will be better. He'll be fine. I know that will happen. It might not happen anytime soon. But I know he'll get along fine in no distant time. I mean, it's worth the wait.
Now see back I tell you. Oh no, me no try at all. She no try. Maba, she no try. Oh, how she go for her fuck up go reach like that? But say everybody waiting for this area, everybody waiting for this Zang, don't know say she and you the bread and butter. Eh? She come fuck up like that. She fuck up.
Mama, I don't go Onome house tire. I don't find Onome. I don't find Onome city I tire. But when you know it's the bathroom, this girl block my line. Eh? Onome get mind, even for social media. Now me Onome they play with.
She block you for social media. See, make I tell you, now this one they call Obiabo in a high place. I tell you, Obiabo don't too much. Chai. So what you want to do now?
Baba, you say I see be so now. Now info I want. Information I am waiting I want. I beg get me put eye for ground. Anyhow where you be, where you sight Onome. Any news where you hear about Onome, guy, put me call. I go show for the background. I swear to God. Onome, you fuck up.
Now that one, no need that one. Now you want from me. See, make I tell you, that one a small case. What are friends for? Oh, see, make I tell you. You see me so. You don't forget saying that maybe Anya Neloa. Anya Neloa. You know, see my woman, they work for inside town like this. I go see tell her make she follow good eye. And she thinks she's happy. I go tell her say, Bokonaga wara wara. Say Anya Nele vam na fia. That one is smoking.
I know what you feel do for me, Baba. You understand? You not blood, you not friend.
She not try.
You get, but no man mess up. The guy boot I go put that girl. Onome, na me you totori. Onome, na me you swa. You the Jones. You the mentor. You no get sense. Ah, fuck. No shit. Baba, I see this one.
No, let ma begin go. I gotta go beat mama. Go to you, my baby. No. Go be now.
I come to top my own. Hey, I say love about Quaco. My God, don't butter my bread, you.
My father wants to see us tonight.
No, Alana.
See, this time, you better behave. Behave yourself this time.
God. Don't suffer. Eh? So you believe say you go win me for this game? You believe say you go win, Abi? See, you go Soji, now me or no me they tell you.
Onome, now the way you act so desperate these days, I believe by now you should know that you are losing. You're losing already.
If I lose, you mean say you self go lose your inheritance now. As you no want to see me as your wife. You they hide your joystick from me. No worry, now just small thing. I go call your papa, tell him, I go play tape for him, and you know everything.
You know, that's why you still remain wicked and unmarried. I'm telling you. You know, talking to you is actually baseless. Very, very useless, I'm telling you.
Why this boy no like me? Wetin I fit do he go like me? Abi make I go, make I carry the G-Wagon and the money where he won't give me. I no dey go anywhere. I no dey go anywhere. Now me and you for this house. Now me and you for this house.
See me, see money. See me, see money. And you want me to go. And you want me to walk out. I don't survive before.
Jason! Welcome, Jason, with your beautiful wife.
That is good evening.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my beautiful.
I hope you're good, my daughter-in-law.
Yes, Daddy, I'm fine.
All right.
You're looking good. Thank you, Mommy.
Jason, I thought I asked you to choose just anywhere in the world that you can go for your honeymoon. What are you still doing in this country? I said you can go to Paris, you can go to Moscow, you can go to UK, just anywhere.
Oh, okay, Dad. We're planning on that, right? We're taking our time, right?
Yes.
Taking your time?
Yes.
You know what? The best thing that can happen to anyone is when the person takes his time. I am really proud of you for taking your time.
Thank you.
Come over here. You are really my son. I'm happy. All right, so you know what? There is no time. I have this business plan I need us to talk about. Just come, let's go to the dining. Come over. Just come.
You're always talking about business.
Come right here now.
Looking so beautiful. That is me taking good care of you. My son is doing very good.
Hope you enjoy the meal.
Yes, Daddy, I do.
All right, Jason, look at this. Read it all. You know what? I thought I should talk about this over the phone, but now you're here. It's best that you come here, give me your opinion in person. That is a shipping company owned by my friend, Duchess Shipping Company, and they are offering over 70%, or should I even say 75% slash on every container that we bring in. And that's his first adventure in the shipping world.
Impressive.
This is more than impressive. I mean, let's say we're bringing in 100 feet containers. All of them have got on it a slash of over 75%. This is amazing. Jason, come on, I want you to think about this. I want to hear your opinion. This is why you're here. Let's deliberate upon it like family. Yeah?
Fine, Dad. What happened to Chunk? Since I was born up till now, you've been in cordial relationship and partnership with this company, Chunk Shipping Company. What happened to them? I just want to know. We've never had any problem with them. For once, they have been shipping our containers to us without any risk.
You were talking about Chunk. Chunk is very expensive. I mean, Duchess here, it's cheap, it's fast, it's reliable. And they're offering us the best offer in the world. Anybody should run after. So why are we talking about Chunk here?
Dad, I remember you bought some parts from them. Oil too. And other business that you've constantly patronized this man, this billionaire, every now and then. So just because they want to go into cargo business, you decided to go with them because of the enticing prices and slashes. Dad, this is business, not friendship. Please, I beg in the name of God, let us continue with our folks.
Jason, this is dynamism. Business is all about dynamism. Now they're making this offer, we should jump at it. I mean, they're really offering everything that I need in this business right here. Duchess is, should I say, Chunk is a no-no. They're expensive, like I say. We cannot patronize them at all. Duchess has given us everything that we need in this business, and that's why we must go for Duchess. That's what I'm saying.
What is the escape plan?
Pardon?
Yes. Every business should have an escape plan. In time of uncertainties, what would be our compensation? Take for instance, just imagine a goods capsizing. What is the plan for the unseen circumstances?
Jason, you should have a gem as a wife. You know, I have not thought about this. I was carried away by the hour of this business. Uh-oh.
Dad, every normal business-oriented person should be able to place between him loss and profit. All right? And for 30 years, Chunk Shipping Company will never had any issue with them. Dad, why would you just wake up one morning and decide you don't want to ship with them again? No, you're breaking their hearts just because of a friend. You want to favor a friend. A friend, Dad.
Your father just wants to try.
Oh, Mom, stop this. You don't try in business. Loss is a big hit and we can't afford to have that. What is the escape plan?
Jason, I know you were a very smart person, but there's something you should consider here, okay? Chunk is very expensive, and they've not considered me for once, all the while I have been doing business with them. Look at this juicy great offer from Duchess, and you want me to just begin to run along to Chunk? Duchess is reliable, Duchess is fast, he's a Cohen, and besides, they are a family friend. So it's good doing business with the family.
Friend to the family? Friend? A friend who has never patronized you for once.
Jason, I think I would agree with Chief. I mean, there is no harm in trying.
Hey, what do you know about business? No, what do you know about business?
Okay, all right. Jason, let us seal the deal right now. If you are for Chunk, I want to see your hand in the air. Raise up your hand.
Dad, please, I'm not having this.
Jason, please, raise up your hand if you're for Chunk. Duchess.
I'm supporting my husband. Jason, we have to try a new company, please. Chunk have been there for a long while. There is no harm in trial. Like your father said, business is dynamic. Who knows? Duchess might be better, far better.
Yeah, far better, you say, of course. Yeah. I am not just trying here. We are giving them the opportunity to ship in all our containers from now. Believe me, you are going to be satisfied. Yes, I assure you, you'll definitely be satisfied about them delivering. Definitely they will deliver. Okay, so what am I even saying? Duchess is 3 and Chunk is just 1, so Duchess wins.
It's all right.
Yeah. The deal is sealed.
Son, Dad, your mother told me you were having little issues in your new home.
I'm good, Dad.
You never told me you were infected with STDs. I've called the doctor, it's coming.
No, I'm on medication already. I'm good, Dad.
I know you're lying. Yes, you are. I understand, I really do. You know, I really understand that you're finding it difficult to appreciate your wife. I was in your shoes sometime. It took me time to really admit that I love your mother. Otherwise, I would have gone in with her in the 80s when I married her. By now, you should have had lots of siblings. You know, but she suffered a lot in my hand. Reason, I was broken, I was crushed, I was battered by the woman I loved who did not reciprocate that love. But what did she do? She just ended up throwing me off the radar. The fear of Obanyuku women will never leave me forever. A father will not pray that his son, experience the ugliness of a bad wife. I am your father. And as your father, I will not give you snake in place of fish. I will not give you stone in place of bread. Okay? I just know that with time you will learn to love your wife. Yes, you will learn to love her and then stop cheating on her with that early. Huh? I advise you, son, take her somewhere. Just take a trip. Take her somewhere, have a good time. Learn to love your wife. Okay?
Dad, thank you so much. I'm aware you mean so well for me. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so just calm down, loosen up. You having STDs. I know that was not true. Just loosen up, son. She is your wife. I gave you a choice to choose the person that you want to marry. So now you have her. Learn to love her, okay?
Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much.
Okay.
What are you saying, Chief?
I am saying that I am entrusting all my containers to Duchess. It is lesser, okay? You supported me against your son, didn't you?
Chief, I did that because I never thought of you entrusting 140 feet containers. It's too much, Chief. Why not one? Okay, 2 for the test.
Why is it that all of you are just afraid? I can see fear in all of you, woman. I can see fear in your head. Why? What are you afraid of?
This is not normal. It's not normal at all. It's not okay. It's just not sitting well with me. How can you move all your containers from Chunkin's shipping to Duchess? Chief, no. It's not right. Just because they're cheap? Come on. No. Chief, no.
Chunk. Woman, you know what? You don't know business. No, you don't.
Chief.
Let me be.
Of course, Mom. You may likely not know anything about the business, but you know your husband is a hard nut to crack. Allow him do his thing, Mom. Just allow him. After all, he will tell you that business is like a gamble. That's what he's going to tell you at the end of the day. Mom, see, you never supported me, all right? Why are you complaining? No, tell me, why are you complaining? Allow him to move all our containers to Duchess. See, Mom, please. I am stressed. Please. I am feeling dizzy right now. I'm stressed, right? Maybe we'll talk tomorrow. Please. I'll call you. I love you, Mom. Bye. Hi, Ellie. I'm fine.
Jason, can you just pick up? Hello? 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 Babe? Why are you not talking? Hello? Hello? Why is he not taking his calls? He called me and now I'm trying to call him back. He's not taking his calls. Oh my goodness. No way, no way. Jason, no, this can't be true. Oh my goodness. Jason, no.
Jesus! Onome, what are you doing here? Wait, you drugged my drinks?
Which one be say I drug your drink? I take drug your drink. No be you carry me come inside here. You knock me finish. Knock me reach 5 times.
Jesus Christ! I did what?
You knock me.
Mike! Jeez. Onome, how can you do this? Huh? How can you do this to me? My goodness, see. I am done. I am done with you. I do not care what my father or my mother is going to say about this. Let them disown me for all I care. I am done with you.
You don't go.
You are evil.
You done with who? Okay, you don't knock me finish. You knock me. You walk on dump me, Abi. You don't satisfy yourself finish. You walk on dump me. You lie.
Let me get out.
I know they go anywhere.
Get out of my bed.
I know they go anywhere.
Get out.
I know they go anywhere.
I know they go anywhere.
What do worry you?
You know if you dump me.
Get out!
I know they go anywhere.
Baby, I'm really sorry, okay? It's not what you think. See that girl? That girl drugged me. I'm so sorry, she drugged me. She drugged my drink. All I did, I didn't do them intentionally. Please, I am so sorry. I am sorry. You know me now. I can't do such a thing to you.
I'm sorry, but I can't. I can't do this. I am here to call it a quit.
No, don't do this to me, please. No. Don't say this to me now. Please.
Jason, I can't continue to hide just to get validation. I can't continue to hide just to seek for marriage. I deserve better. I deserve better than all this.
I know. I am going to make all things better at the right time, but don't.
No, please. Okay, see wahala. I don't know this man. He doesn't push me enter inside. Say they find person, but no wahala. I don't call police.
You don't call police. I tell you, person if you're poor. You don't want me. I go sound you.
Hey, young man. Who are you? This is my house. Who are you? What are you doing here?
Onome, I don't show. For your mind, it is so I'm not going to see me maybe a joke. I don't show now, it is a Nigerian film. I mean a zero. Let me day here. You carry my belly, you move. You don't praise. You know the fear face. I am on the grass.
Which speaking? Eh? If that place stop am, which speaking? I go talk that kind of thing now.
I they talk to you, they ask me which
Hey. Stranger. Like I asked before, what are you doing in my house? Who are you? Onome?
Okay, I introduce myself to you as you want to know. Now me be your job. The water sad pecan. I don't show. I don't come here carry my pecan and my girl make a move. Now make me day here. Now my girl be this. And she carry my belly. More they go.
Don't feel it.
You said it. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. You know what?
Hey, young man. It's okay. You can move with her. After all, she forced herself on me. Okay? She's not my wife. She's not my wife. This is my wife here. And I love her so much. And we're getting married. Okay? Jacob, I want you to move this thing here and this man out of my house right now.
You see from boy, he get money, he get car, gas. Now you leave me. Where your face from?
You go anywhere. I know they go. They go now. Jason, why are you not picking your calls? What's going on here?
Mom, thank God you came. You came at the right time. This stupid woman here, this girl here is pregnant for this man.
Onome, your wife?
Yes! You said my wife? She is not my wife. In fact, this is the time for you to hear the truth. Every truth right now. Listen. The marriage between I and this stupid Onome was all fake.
What?
Yes! As a matter of fact, I paid her 5 million naira to be my wife, to disguise herself as my bride.
What?
All she told you people about her family was all fake. As a matter of fact, her family, her dad is not even working in any oil company. I'm telling you, this girl here, her father doesn't own any oil company. I met her in trenches. Her father is ordinary fisherman. Fisherman in trenches in Cross River. I did all of this because you and Dad refused me getting married to Ellie. Well, I got married to her at the end of the day. Yes, I got married to her. Jacob, do the needful right now.
Oh yeah, Mom. I know they go anywhere now. I know they go anywhere. I know if you carry my pikin give bastard like you. I know my pikin suffer.
It's enough. Stop this nonsense. This is not why I'm here. All your father's containers
has gone into the ocean.
What?
The ship let everything drown. Your father fainted. Our family doctor is not in the country. I don't know what to do. Your father cannot open his mouth to talk.
My dad.
He can't talk, he can't do anything.
All the container's gone!
Gone, everything is gone. I don't know what to do. I don't know.
Come here.
My dear, please come and save my husband.
Let's go.
See your head. You dey craze. On my wound you. Don't let me play.
Leave me, I know the phone. I don't want to suffer.
You don't want to suffer. God will punish you.
Leave me on.
You come for this estate, you craze. You leave me forget to the man.
I don't want to suffer. I'm going to punish you. I'm going to punish you. Punish the person will give you the address.
No problem. Make God punish me.
Leave me.
I'm going to say the craze. You the craze.
I go change that for you.
You change that for me.
I go change that for you.
I mean, you change that for me.
I go change that for you.
You go to fake wedding. You go to fake wedding.
Now you're ready.
You go to fake wedding.
I person will suffer.
I not give a fuck. I not send you. I not send your wedding. If you born my pikin where you carry. If you like, make you enter anywhere you want enter.
Which
I not send you.
Which pikin?
I mean they talk.
Which pikin? Leave me alone.
Come follow me. We go carry go sell.
Now you buy up. Now you buy up. That's you broke.
Yeah, no problem.
You broke. You want make I suffer. Talk to tell you a better person.
No problem.
You want make I follow you suffer.
I won't you.
I don't follow you go anywhere.
Oh no, go man. Go. Man, go. I won't you. Nonsense, girl. Idiot. See your head.
How is he?
He's getting better.
Chief.
Yeah?
Chief, are you good? Are you okay?
Where am I?
You are in your house. You're here.
Ellie. What happened? I was seeing my dead parents. We were communing. And then Ellie came in. And they said I should go with her.
No.
Was I dead?
No. You're not dead, Dad, right? You are alive. Relax. The only problem was that we lost all our containers to Duchess Shipping Company. The one you introduced to the company. We lost everything. I mean, everything.
Immediately I heard that news. I went off the word. But son, I should have listened to you. Or at least listened to your mother. Oh, how come I traded all my business on friendship.
Yeah, friendship. But that's not the bone of contention right now. They only account to pay for just one container out of 100. Out of 100, Dad, we lost everything. I guess this is indeed a good business.
It's okay, son. It's okay.
No, Mom, don't tell me that because you supported him.
It's okay.
I deserve the sarcasm. Yes, I do.
Jason, please. He's recuperating. You shouldn't bring in business talks now. Please.
Thank you, Dr. Ellie. Thank you.
You'll be fine. Okay?
Ellie, thank you so much. Thank you for being here for my husband, despite everything. You've done so well.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you.
My wife and my son has already told me everything. Thank you, I'm very grateful, Ellie. Thank you. I understand everything.
You know, in life, men are bound to make mistakes. But when men make mistakes, what do? They learn from it. I'm saying, son, whatever decision you want to take in life, go ahead and take it without influence. Don't let anyone stop you from taking your decision. No matter what it is, just go for what you believe in. Because of course, if you do not, and you intend to blame me for the mistakes that come thereby, what am I going to do? I would definitely not take responsibility for it. Because I know someday I might not be here on earth. I definitely will be joining my ancestors. But in case I'm even here and you take that decision and make a mistake, I will blame you, son, for not choosing what you believe in. Okay? Just like you stood your ground for Chunk Shipping Company, I really want you to stand your ground for Ellie. Okay?
But you threatened to disown him.
Oh, come on. I only needed to shake him so that he would fall to my demand. But that doesn't mean that is what you should be doing all the time. I need you to be confident. There shouldn't be any kind of compromise in life. Stand your ground and you take a decision, especially stand your ground for what you believe in. Stand your ground for what you really love. That you're convinced right there, deep down in your heart, especially that you love, stand for it. Don't let anyone pressure you out of what you're convinced about that is right. Just whatever you cherish, go for it. Because you must understand that if you make any mistake, nobody will take responsibility for it, like I said. And one main thing you should know is, rule number one in life is, whatever you cherish, just go for it. Stand for it. Don't let anybody move you out of it. Just like you're standing for Ellie. Go ahead, stand for Ellie. That is what you want. Okay.
Thank you, then. Thank you so much.
I learned you two were expecting a baby.
Yes, sir. I'm with a child.
Good. Very good. You know what? I cannot wait to become a grandfather. Ellie.
Sir.
I appreciate you. In fact, I officially announce about now that you are part of this family. Really officially, like I said.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's okay. It's okay. Get up.
Thank
Get
you.
up.
Thank you. I really do appreciate. Thank you.
Go ahead, get up. Go back to your seat.
Listen. Thank you.
You're a good woman.
Thank you.
You're a good woman.
Thank you.
Get up.
She's everything I need, yeah, yeah. She's powerful. I don't want nobody else. Cause she's the one for me.
Welcome home, my dear wife. This is where you belong.
Thank you, my husband.
So tell me, do you miss me?
Yes, Jason. I missed you so much. And I think about you every time, every day.
My life is complete now. That's the truth. I think about you. I love you every day. Right? What matters now is that you're here. Like I said, this is where you belong.
I love you, Jason.
I love you too. I love you, baby. Come. Come, let me show you to your room. Okay?
I know my room.
Come, let me show you. I designed that room specially for you. Come.
When my life was broken, I was lonely, no one to talk to. She came like a beautiful angel. I gave my life a meaning. Yeah, she's beautiful, no one else will do. She's everything I need. Yeah, yeah. She's powerful, I don't want nobody else. 'Cause she's the one for me. She's the one that owns my heart. Yeah, yeah. What we have is made in heaven. Let no one put us under. She's my choice, the one I love. She is irreplaceable. Yeah, I can't explain it, but I know that this is love. We are meant to be. Oh, in her. She's the one that owns my heart. Yeah, yeah. What we have is made in heaven. Let no one put us under. Yeah, she is beautiful, no one else will do. She's everything I need. Yeah, yeah. She's powerful, I don't want nobody else. 'Cause she's the one for me. Yeah, yeah. I found my missing rib in her. She's the one that owns my heart. Yeah, yeah. What we have is made in heaven. Let no one put us under.
See money, see money, and you want me to go, and you want me to walk out. I don't suffer before, see shake before. You want make I go back, oh, I know gon' leave this one and go, leave him and go. I know gon' leave this man and go, leave him and go. See me see big fish, you want make I go, leave him and go. We go die today, die today, die today. Love about walk.